How to make my Cash App auto accept. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see whether we can do it or not. So the trick is that you cannot auto accept all the payments out there from all the people out there, but you can do it for certain amount of people or the people directly by going onto their profile and setting the auto payments or auto acceptance from them. And if you give them this privilege, then they will be able to send you the payments and you would be able to accept it automatically. For that, just simply go to the person's profile, and this way you would be able to do it. And in case if you want to know how to auto accept your money from your bank to your Cash App, then for that just simply open up the home page of your Cash App by just clicking on the bottom left hand side corner and scroll down. Over here you will be able to find the option of recurring deposits. Simply click on it. After that, click on this option of, or enable this particular option of auto add cash, and this way it would ask you how often you would want to add the cash. Just select it accordingly. This way just follow this procedure and the cash will be added automatically to your Cash App, and that's how you would be able to accept the cash on automatically on Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.